and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a brand new stitch fix. I know it's been some time since I've been here. I've said this previous. This is fun for me, so whenever I have a moment to do this and I can have fun doing it, I am here on this channel. But I had two back-to-back cruises almost in the last month with my job that I am working at now as a travel agent. So I'm finally getting a little downtime, and I thought, why not share this today? So here's how Stitch Fix works, and I'm reading my handy dandy paperwork that was included in my fix. Just so you know, this is fix 98. Stitch Fix. I have been doing this 98 times now apparently, and how it works is when you first fill out a profile and you sign up for Stitch Fix, you get set up with a stylist. That first styling usually costs $20. If you use my link in the comments, you can get your first fee waived, and you can also get up to $25 to shop in your first fix. Someone actually did that recently, so thank you to the person that did that, because I have $25 off myself. If you get 25, I get 25. So without further ado, my stylist today is Taylor. I don't know what happened to my past stylist, Jaren, but here's what she writes. She writes, wow, 98 fixes. You're so close to 100. My name is Taylor, and I'm so excited to be styling you. I see you live in New York, and the temperatures are moving towards fall weather. Exciting. I love the items you selected from your preview. The Free People skirt paired with the VARLEY sweatshirt will be a cozy yet edgy vibe, which I absolutely love. For an everyday look, I love your choice of the Pistola wide leg jeans paired with either the Pistola or the Stitches and Stripes sweater. It's going to be so comfy and cute. The DAZE denim jean are such a fun piece. Pair them with the VUORI top to highlight the camo bottoms. I see you like laid back and comfy clothes, and these items will definitely check these boxes for you. Your comment of wanting to be fashionable but comfortable is the perfect way to describe this fix. So I think you'll see, we're going to go through all of the items, but I think Taylor, for the first time styling me, I think she did a great job. I actually picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I picked pretty much 7 items in this fix. You can get up to, I believe it's 8 in your fix. You can get as little as 5, and I think it's up to 8. If I'm wrong, feel free to correct me, but I usually try not to go up to the highest amount, but this time I kind of did. And just so you know, I am in the first outfit, and I'm going to share that in a moment, so hang on for that. Okay, as promised, I'm back, and if you hear any noise or you see anything as I pan down, Brooklyn is here with me today. That's our almost 2-year-old black lab. She is quite a character, and she's literally my shadow on a good day. So just so you know, when you see her in this video, you'll know why. But on top, I'm going to pull back so you can see it, and I just have a black Free People tank layered underneath. But on top, I have the VARLEY Sian cropped half zip mid layer. I think it's sweater. Hang on, because I apologize, but it gets cut off, and I should have had the app open, not realizing that half of the information is being cut off here. So let me just double check. Excuse me. This is the VARLEY Sian cropped half zip mid layer sweatshirt. Apologies for that. And this is in the color black, size small, and it is $128. However, I had a note opened. I asked for some price matching, and how that works with Stitch Fix is they will take a look, and if it's not a conditional sale, they will price match and they'll give you the money back after you purchase. So this happens to be on sale, and I have the link. It's Simon, and it's on sale for $67. So they've said they will price match from $128 to $67. So let me back up so you can see this. Oh, and on the bottom, I do have the DAZE denim, and these are not a price match option by any means, but the original, let me see if I can get the, hang on. This is, I'm sorry, because everything is getting cut off on this sheet. The Sundaze Carpenter high-rise straight crop jean, DAZE denim, and they're in the color green, size 4, $118. I do own quite a few items that are camo in my closet, and as I back up, I have a dog behind me, so I don't want to fall over her, but let me show you the top first. So this is cute, and you can take it in. It has the option here in the like waist area. There are no pockets though, and I'm kind of shocked because VARLEY usually does have, oh no, I am lying, there are pockets. The pockets have zippers, ignore me. I am sorry about that. No, pocket, so very, very cute, and it has this working zipper. I would not do that, but I'm showing you the zipper works. I have it open. It's kind of a humid, rainy day here, so I am not zipping that all the way up. And I have the sleeve cuff, but you can see how long the sleeve is. Oh, and thumb hole if you need it. Front, back. I will pan down for these jeans. Well, pants, they say they're denim, but they're in, like I said, the camo color. They fit, they're a great fit actually. Let me pan down so you can see them. Hang on. So, as promised, I pan down, and you can see I just have them tucked with a black tank. It's got a button and a zip fly. Working pockets in the front. Has, what does it have? No, I lied. It's got like a side pocket here. And then this kind of, it's not really a pocket, it's just like a loop. And I'll bend down so you can see working pockets here in the back. Very comfortable. You can see the length. They're a bit of a wide leg. And I just have flip-flops on. It's a warm, rainy day here. Kind of humid. So, I don't know. They're cute. Like I said, let me pan up a second. Okay, I'm back. As I was saying, I'll back up a little bit. You saw the full length of these pants. I do own other pants that are in camo print. While I like these, I'm not necessarily sure I need them, except for the fact that they're wide leg, and I think mine are not as wide leg. Mine was back during like your skinny or at least a little bit more tapered look. But yeah, I'll look back at this footage. I have another top to switch into, so I'll be right back with that. Okay, as promised, I am back, and I'm going to back up so you can kind of see just another black top. This one is by VUORI, and it is the LS Luxe Crew Tee, color black, size small, $64. And this literally is just what it sounds like. It is a t-shirt, and I just kept the DAZE denim on with it. But it's cute. It would be good for layering. Once it gets cooler here, I could see this being decent layering top. And VUORI is actually a good brand. I get, I've never actually bought from them, but I do get advertisements from them, so I know this is like a premium brand. This is the back. The front, I'm gonna untuck. I tucked it just so you could see like a front top, but here is the full length of this top. Nothing special about it. I want to come closer so you can see the length of the sleeve. I just kind of cuffed it. You can see how long it is. Again, nothing special, but it works. It's what it is. It's a layering top, if at all that. Anyways, I have another pair of jeans and 2 sweaters to try on. So I'll be back with the next outfit in a moment. Okay, I'm back, and I actually lied because I do have 2 more bottoms, not 1. So right now I'm actually wearing a skirt, not jeans. The next outfit will be jeans. But on top, this is by PISTOLA. This is the Adina Everyday Raglan Sweater, light pink, size small, $148. And I'm going to back up so you can see the bottom on the bottom, and I'll pan down too for you at some point if you can't see this in full length. This is the Free People Autumn Promenade Maxi, color green, size 4, $168. The skirt, they offered to price match for $126. And let me just double check where that was coming from. Well, excuse me, that was not Bloomingdale's. Nope. From Nordstrom. Nordstrom has this on sale for $126, so they were going to price match. So, but again, on top, let me come closer so you can see color. It is light pink. It has a little white detail on the wrist, and also down here at the waistline. The sweater notches, has like that notch up on both sides. It's the back. Nice sweater. Don't know if I need it for the price, to be honest, but it is a nice sweater, and PISTOLA is good quality. But I'm going to pan down so you can see the skirt. Okay, so here's the skirt, and it literally has a zipper and it just ties at the waist. It's a little long on me, to be honest. It's cute and flowy. However, and I love Free People, I just don't know if I need it. I mean, I asked for the price match, but then having put it on and trying it on, now I'm kind of debating if I actually need this skirt. Very cute, but again, it's, I don't know if I pilfered enough, to be honest. But that said, let me come back up a sec. Like I said, I'm back up again. I have a pair of jeans and a sweater, so I want to try that on, and that should be the last outfit. So I'll be right back. Okay, as promised, I have one last outfit on, and on top, this is by Stitches and Stripe. It is the Dopper cardigan in the color off-white, size small, $139. Again, just left my tank top on underneath, and now I have the jeans on. So these jeans are by PISTOLA. They are the Lana high-rise wide leg jean, color blue, size 4, $188. And I tried to get them to price match these jeans on sale at Bloomingdale's, but these were a conditional sale and only on sale for a limited amount of time, so they did not price match them. So for $188, and I do love my premium jeans, I don't think I'm gonna pull the trigger on these, to be honest. I don't think I want to spend that right now, but I want you to see the whole outfit. So let me show you the colors of the sweater. And I had the sleeve cuffed. I want to just show it to you uncuffed so you can see the length of it. And again, just this blues and beige, white, off-white. Very pretty. Just cardigan buttons down. Jeans have working pockets in the front. Button and zipper closure, pockets in the back, and I will pan down so you can see the length. Hang on. Okay, as promised, is the cut of them. And you can see they're wide leg. Again, just flip-flops because it is a warmer, rainy day here in the fall. But yeah, so not bad, but again, let me pull myself up. Okay, I'm back, and now you've seen everything. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you the full price breakdown. So the buy all, and for this being that it's 8, they give you the buy all with all 8, but you have to buy at least 5 to get the buy all. So the discount is going to be on all 8 items, but mind you, for all 8 items, this fix is $953, pretty pricey. I'm not gonna lie. The buy all, 25% off, 5 plus, meaning you have to buy at least 5, if not more, is $238.25. New order subtotal is $714.75. I have a $25 promo, so if I were to buy all 8, this would cost me $689.75. I am not buying all 8, in all honesty. I'm really gonna have to look back at the footage, and I could use your help as well, so please let me know your thoughts. I'm leaning towards at least the VARLEY sweatshirt that I first tried on in the first try on, because for $67 I had been eyeing that at Ever Eve Trendsend and even in Bloomingdale's last year, and that it's that discounted. I could see myself pulling for it on cooler days as, you know, a good, comfortable around the house, and even just to run a quick errand to keep me a little warmer, you know, like as either layering or just like a quick outer piece on a day where it's chilly but not chilly enough for a full jacket. Otherwise, I'm gonna be honest, the rest I really am gonna look back at the footage. I know I was offered the sale price for the Free People skirt, but I'm, like I said earlier, not 100% sold. Not sure, but I'll go and look back at that try on, and please let me know as well your thoughts. I would appreciate it. That said, I think you've seen everything now. And this was a good fix, even though, sorry, I'm not good with names. This was Taylor. I think this is her first time styling me. I think she did a great job. It's just what I need. A lot of it, if I didn't own similar, or, you know, I own a lot of pairs of jeans, but these jeans that I kept on, if I didn't own similar, maybe, but again, they're kind of pricey, so that they weren't giving me the sale price, I'm like, I don't need them for that price. But like I'm saying, she did a great job for someone first styling me. That said, yeah, I mean, this is a fun try on. Leave me your thoughts and your comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And I just want to say thank you to all my returning subscribers and friends. It means the world that you're here again with me. If you are not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button below. And if you like this video, the thumbs up. And now I just want to say have a magical day, and bye for now.